Hey guys, Model Man Frank here, working on the Erwa 8. So there's these little louvers, I guess, that are going in the front here, and that is what I'm working on right now. That's one of them right there. Now it's supposed to have something else that goes in the front, like some sort of, I don't know, I guess this piece right here, but I don't think I have the piece for it. And it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't really give you instructions on this. That's what the book says, right? Yeah, there's a piece that goes in the front here, but you know what? No, I don't think I'm going to do that. Again, it doesn't tell you anything. It is a book in a different language. So guess what? Different language book. I am not doing that. But yes, I will make the I will make the solid nose in the front. Probably out of foam. So right now I am forming these pieces. So basically, what I'm doing is using a pair of scissors, cutting them to size. So to fill in that area or that little gap there, I'm going to use regular model airplane wood cement, and it'll act as a filler as soon as I find out what I did with the glue. What's nice about this wood, this glue here, that it'll fill in and it'll make more of a bond to the gaps. I just filled it in with wood glue. That's about it right now. Now, when it comes to this area here, probably going to put a stringer straight across from here to there, just to add a little bit more rigidity. I will do that right now. how much glue left. I mean, I got another bottle there, but I will have to buy more glue. That's how it goes. I'll put another one on the other side, and that'll be it. Glue's been applied to the back end. And then now I have to put the rudder on the back here. So that'll be the next thing to go. And then that'll be done for the work that I'll be doing on the body. Next thing that needs to be worked on are the wings. And that'll be another video. So, all right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Model Man Frank out.